les vêtements. Le chemisier, le chemisier, la jupe, la jupe, la robe, la robe, le pull, le pull, le gilet, le gilet, le maillot de bain, le maillot de bain, le chapeau, le chapeau, la casquette, la casquette, les bottes, les bottes, les sandales, les sandales, les chaussons, les chaussons, les chaussures, les chaussures, les chaussettes, les chaussettes, les bas, les bas, l'anorak, l'anorak. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have also launched our YouTube membership of various levels with tons of benefits. You can check the same by clicking on join button you are seeing on your screen just below the video. And I'll see you very soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir et bisous bisous.